Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be making vegetable soup, so keep watching. I'm starting out with a freshly washed meat. Next, I'm going to be adding my onions, and then I add my maggi, my salt, all the spices that is needed for this meat to taste wow. Guys, I have a video on how I made these particular spices. I'm going to be leaving the link at the top of this video and in the description box below. Next, I'm just going to mix it up properly and then cover it to steam for about 10 minutes. Next guys, I'm proceeding to picking up my vegetable. This vegetable cost, so I no go lie you. I bought one of these vegetable for £1.99p. I think a pound is about 1,380 naira. And then I bought this for about £1.99p, which is 2,000 plus. I'm holding for one. So guys, I'm just going to pluck it from the stick and then wash it neatly and slice it. Let me know how much they sell ugu in Nigeria, because this thing, it tire me. See the thing I buy for 2,000 plus. Now wow, which kind one be this one? Next, moving on to the water leaf, I'm going to pick the water leaf and then wash it, slice it. Guys, look at this water leaf. I bought this water leaf for about £8.99p, almost £10, and it's just full of stick. In fact, I didn't even I know I would have used spinach, but no problem, we move. I'm just going to pick it up and then wash it neatly and slice it. Next, I'm going to be checking the meat. I think it's ready. I'm going to stir it and then remove the meat, put it in my air fryer and dry it. As you all know, I love dry meat. I mean, mama dry meat. Vegetable soup is one of my best soup that I enjoy eating. But ever since I travel out of Nigeria, cooking vegetable soup, guy, you have to save the money because no be here. So once I'm done, I'm going to put the air fryer on and then I let the meat dry. Next, I'm going to be adding my dry fish. Remember this dry fish now where I do one certain time. I'm going to be leaving the link at the top of this video. If you haven't watched the video, go and watch it. I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam. Next, I'm going to be adding my oil. I brought oil. They always dey like say they sleep they cash am. I'll add my oil and then I'm going to be adding pepper and maggi. I'll give it a little bit of stir. And then next, I'm going to be adding the water leaf on it. So I'll add the water leaf and then give it a little bit of stir. And then start adding my ingredients bit by bit. This soup no dey hard to cook anyway. It's not difficult. Next, I'm adding my kanda. Almost see the pomon, I be like say it is sick. I just found it in my freezer. So okay, let me just use it up. I hate buying pomon in this country. I don't understand the kind of pomon they are selling. It's totally different from the one we used to buy in Nigeria. So guys, next I'm adding the vegetable in the pot. Once I add them all, I'm going to mix it up nicely. So if you're still watching till this point, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for sharing my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and let's become one big family, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload another video. So moving up back to my vegetable soup. Once I'm done mixing it up, I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam for another 2 minutes. Guys, look how beautiful the soup looks. Next, I'm adding my dry meat. Of course, you all know I love dry meat so much. I'll add my dry meat and then mix it up nicely. And then that is it. Your vegetable soup is ready to be served. So when I tasted it, I decided to add more pepper on it because the pepper I put for the first time wasn't enough. I'm just going to give it a mix again and then allow it to steam for another 2 minutes. And then that is it. Your vegetable soup is ready to be served. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, welcome and please subscribe and let's become one big family, okay? See you all on my next video. Remember guys, I love you all. Bye.